Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create your own league in Fantasy Premier League. First, click on the Fantasy tab. Scroll down a little and click on Configure Leagues. From here, click Create and Join New League button. Then, click Create a League. You can create two types of leagues. I'm going to choose Classical Scoring. Give a name to your league and select the Game Week 1 as default settings. Then click Create. As you can see, we have created our league. If you click on it, you can get a code to invite your friends from here. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video.